for 58 group elements. There are also called 15th group elements. 15th group elements are these are also called as Nicogens. They are also called as Nicogens. Another name is Nicogens. So these elements are belongs to P block elements. 58 group elements are belongs to P block elements. Here, what are these elements? Elements of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, and stibine and bismuthine. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, stibine and bismuthine. So this is nitrogen. This is phosphorus, arsenic, and this is actually antimony or bismuth, stibine. This is also called antimony and stibine. And this is bismuth. So these are the elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, stibine, bismuth. These are elements and their atomic numbers and electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, phosphorus is 15, arsenic is 33, stibine 51, bismuth 83. If you see electronic configuration after helium configuration 2s2 2p3. For phosphorus after neon configuration 3s2 3p3. Then for arsenic after argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Next for stibine or antimony after krypton 36 4d10 5s2 and 5p3. For final last bismuth after xenon 54 after 54 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p3. So valency shell. In the valency shell, all elements having only 5 electrons. 2s2 2p3, 3s2 3p3, 4s2 4p3, 5s2 5p3, 6s2 6p3. So in the last shell only 2 plus 3, 2 electrons in s orbital, 3 electrons in p orbital. 2 electrons in s orbital, 3 electrons in p orbital. So 2 plus 3, total 5 electrons in the valency shell of these elements are having. So these are fifth group elements. Next, here in the fifth group elements, in the last shell, valency shell, if you say if it is the nucleus for every element, this is ultimate shell. These are also called valency shell. Ultimate shell or valency shell. This is a nth shell. This is n minus 1 shell. N minus 1 is N minus 1 shell is a penultimate shell. Penultimate shell. And this is N minus 2 shell is anti-penultimate. N minus 2 is a anti-penultimate. Anti-penultimate shell. So in the nth shell or in valence shell, these elements having 5 electrons. Next, so these elements occurrence, if you see, before that occurrence, here each element in the p orbital having 3 electrons. In p orbital 3 electrons are having. So that means that is according to Hund's principle, they have half-filled configuration. Half-filled configuration is a stable half-filled configuration. So due to the stability of these configurations, these elements are fairly stable. They are stable. So they are stable and not much reactive, and less reactive, due to presence of half-filled configuration. Next, here if you see, this nitrogen have in the penultimate shell, nitrogen have 2 electrons, and other elements have 8 electrons. Then after these are have 18 electrons. So due to difference of these electrons, they shows variation in the properties of same group of elements. Next, occurrence. So first you see about nitrogen. Nitrogen in the atmosphere freely existed. In atmosphere 78% by volume existed, and 75% by weight in atmosphere existed. In the diatomic form, nitrogen molecular state. Molecular mean N2 state, molecular state. So in the atmosphere, nitrogen exists in N2 state. N2 is nothing but here a free state, molecular state. 78% by volume, 75% by weight, it can be exist. And also nitrogen exists in the form of nitrates in combined state exist as nitrate forms. Nitrate means NO3 minus in the form of nitrates. So examples of nitrate minerals. Chile salt filter. Its formula sodium NaNO3, sodium nitrate. Next, Indian salt filter. Potassium nitrate. NO3 is nitrate. And Norwegian saltpeter, calcium nitrate. calcium nitrate, Norwegian saltpeter. So these are the minerals existed in the, and nitrogen exists to two isotopes, stable isotopes. Nitrogen atom shows two isotopes. They are N14 isotope and N15 isotope. N14 and N15 isotopes.